Hi, so I'm gonna show you today how to scrape any post on LinkedIn. So first you create your own custom search. You can decide as well the time frame, whatever you prefer. So just pick it like this, and then we will use the Mastros Chrome extension. So I'll put the URL in the description. It's this one. So after you install it, you can select which mode you would like to use. So here we'll put how many posts we want. Let's say 50. You can check for only new records or not. So we'll just keep the ones we already gathered in our search. And so this one will just keep scrolling for you, creating the list to export either on CSV or JSON. So you will always have in any type of scrape, the source search URL and as well the job URL, the post URL. So you can use this with AIs to personalize um, let's say your conversations and your analysis using AIs. So let's see if this is done. Okay, and yeah, you can see from the post search we have the author headline, the post URL, the post text, and as well a bit on the reaction, what was their conversions, the hashtags if any, and the card text of the person that posted it. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions. I hope this was useful. Cheers.